Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new cleaning video. Today's video is jam-packed full of cleaning, decluttering and all things homemaking. So if you are needing some motivation today, then definitely keep on watching this video. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a stay-at-home mum. I am married to my husband Chris. We have 3 beautiful children that are all now in high school. I cannot believe that. And here on my channel I make lots of cleaning videos, not only to motivate you but to also motivate me too, and I hope I keep them as real as possible for you guys, and I hope you really do enjoy this video. But if you do enjoy this video today, I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. I have so much content coming your way this year with organizing and cleaning, and I will be starting a spring cleaning series soon. So I'm going to stop chatting and let's get cleaning.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. You better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
So as you can see, I've started off in Will's room today. I've just stripped his bedding and I'm actually popping it in the dryer. Normally I hang our sheets out on the clothesline, but I've only got one set of summer sheets for Will. I need to get him another set, and it was kind of like a drizzly, rainy, off and on day, so I thought the best thing was to pop him in the dryer. And I still haven't unpacked the rest of his stuff from camp or his washing, so I'm just doing that now. I'm thinking of doing a whole complete organization thing here in William's cupboard as well. I just don't like the way how it works at the moment. I think baskets would probably be the best option, but I'm just going to finish tidying his room. It's no means of a deep clean, it's just tidying it up, but this day I just wanted to tackle a few things and just get the house back into order.
If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. You got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Won't you pour me another? I'm going in.
So I'm just giving the toilet a quick clean and wipe over here in the vanity. It just gets gross from when everyone's washing their hands. And yes, that is our cat litter. We have our cat litter trays next to our powder room, which kind of works out well because our powder room's near our front door, so it doesn't get smelly or anything like that. But of late, they are not stocking my favorite kitty litter, which is the Smart Sand 2-pack. And it comes with like a little bag to hold in the litter and it doesn't smell. And at the moment, I'm using crystals from Aldi. So I would love to know, if you do have indoor cats and you have litter trays, what is your favorite litter that doesn't smell like cats? I'm sorry if that's too much information, but I really, really would like to know. Hopefully they'll stock again my cat Sam, but it must be during COVID, everything's a little bit hard trying to get things over here.
Keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything, I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh.
So I've decided that I am going to purchase one of the IKEA shoe storages for here because it just looks like a constant mess here all the time, and that way I'll be able to store other things neatly and tidy as well, like the sunscreen. William tends to put his footballs here so he can take them straight down to the backyard, because if he leaves them on our veranda, the dog takes them. And then he's, as you could see, he had a lot of sports stuff in his cupboard as well, but that he uses them regularly. And there is Pearl. She's not even fazed by the vacuum. And yeah, so I am definitely going to be heading to IKEA in the next few weeks to grab myself one of those shoe storage.
Oh yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on.
And I'm just using the Dr. Beckham's carpet cleaner here. Will spilled a little bit of a spaghetti bolognese last night. We ate in the lounge room. So this has got out the stain there. And yes, the legs of my coffee table look a little bit ratty, but I'm going to be replacing the coffee table or repainting it. I am going to be doing a living room makeover in here, and I cannot wait to share what we have coming into this room. And I'm not dusting or anything. I only dusted 2 days ago. I'm just straightening everything up so it's nice and neat and tidy when we want to sit down and watch television this evening. So here is the reality. I did not finish washing up last night. I stacked the dishwasher, but that we had some other dishes for what we made. I made 2 pasta dishes for dinner, and then I sat down after I stacked the dishwasher and started watching the Ginny and Georgia show on Netflix. And when I looked at my watch, it was 11 p.m. and I was like, I am not doing the dishes, finishing them off. So I decided I would do them today, and I'm just going to unpack the dishwasher. And if you are new here, there is going to be a fantastic butler's sink being installed very, very soon. And we are halfway through painting our kitchen. So we still have the skirting boards to go and the rest of the cabinets in the butler's pantry. And if you're wondering why I don't have a sink in my main part of my kitchen, it was so we could hide dirty dishes. And that went out the window because I left the dirty dishes on the stovetop. And I don't really need water because I have my pot tap here. I don't mind not having a sink in my kitchen. I find that the kitchen looks nice and neat and tidy without it in here. I was contemplating putting the farmhouse sink out in the main part of the kitchen, but I do like hiding it in the butler's pantry.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up when I'm with you, I'm with you. Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out alive. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels, at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up when I'm with you, I'm with you. I'm with you. We know we are lost, in love with the lust.
So I forgot to soak my cast iron pot last night, as you saw, and I am going to try to remove it with the sponge, the baked on bits, but it didn't work. So then I just spray some of the fairy spray on, and later on I just wiped it out with the magic eraser. I did try to just use the magic eraser initially, but it was pretty baked on. But I'm just going to get these dishes washed up, let the cast iron pot soak, and then head into the laundry to swap wool sheets over into the dryer, and then I am going to mop the floors.
Back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading, why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me, where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless.
So thanks so much guys for joining me today on today's cleaning video. I hope it gave you all the motivation that you are looking after, and if you are new, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I have lots of content coming my way, your way, and I will be starting my spring clean series. Although it is autumn here in Australia, I do like to do 2 spring cleans, one in autumn and one in springtime, so I cannot wait wait to share that with you guys. If you have a particular room you want me to tackle first, then let me know down below. And if you are wanting more cleaning motivation today, I'm going to pop it up on the screen here for you to watch. But I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Na, na, na.